Hey everybody, Jmi from Exclusive here. Today I'm going to be doing a installation on my 2020 Supra. I got some sequential turn signals for them, so it's going to be a quick, easy installation as far as I know. And then you guys can let me know what you guys think about them. I personally have been looking forward to it after I saw their little YouTube video on their website. These things are only on the website right now, so I don't know any third parties that are selling them. So check them out. Let me know what you think. After I put it on, subscribe, like, stay tuned. We'll check it out. So what you want to do here, they have 3 clips. 1, 2, and there's the third one right on top. So pull the tab up, squeeze these 2 on the inside, pop off the mirror cap. One, 2, 3. So installation was pretty straightforward. Pop off the mirror cap, unscrew the 3 with the Torx. Make sure that you have a nice trim tool, and then it's easy from there. Just be a little bit cautious, make sure you don't hurt your car. But they did come out great. I love them. Let me know what y'all think. Subscribe, like, and hopefully I'll show off a lot more stuff on my Supra later on. But thanks for tuning in, guys.